A torque wrench is one of the most important tools if you have to do serious automotive work. You can't just disassemble your vehicle's front suspension, swap out the wheels or pull a cylinder head, and then expect to put it all back together so easily. There are many products available to choose best torque wrench, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. EPAuto 3.8-inch drive click torque wrench. The EPAuto torque wrench is an easy recommendation. A click wrench unit, you set the desired proper torque and start tightening in a clockwise direction. When the preset torque measurement amount is reached, it clicks to let you know. For added versatility, it works between 10, which makes it ideal for a large number of tasks, automotive and otherwise. For added versatility, this click torque wrench has a 3/8-inch drive size end, meaning it fits mid-size sockets, though it also comes with an extension, but that's not all. 2 adapters are included too, allowing you to use 1.4-inch and 1.2-inch sockets as well. Ensuring the EPAuto torque wrench lasts, it's made from a hardened chrome vanadium steel alloy. It also comes with a plastic storage case. Number 2. TEKTON 1.2-inch drive click torque wrench. The TEKTON click torque wrench has a reversible ratcheting head that allows you to drive the wrench in both clockwise and counterclockwise directions. This flexibility enables the wrench to be used in tight spaces where a clockwise-only wrench couldn't fit. The click torque wrench has an all-steel construction so that you don't have to worry about plastic parts breaking or wearing out. When the torque wrench is not in use, you can put it away in the included red storage case made of a hard plastic shell and a blown plastic inner mold to keep it safe. The wrench has an accuracy rating of plus or minus 4% and an average torque range of 10 to 150 foot-pounds, allowing you to work on a range of automotive repairs. Number 3. Lexivon 1.2-inch drive click torque wrench. The next torque wrench on this list is burlier and more expensive than the EPAuto model listed above, but it's still very reasonably priced and even more versatile. The Lexivon unit highlighted here features a 1.2-inch drive end and is a click-type torque wrench. Like many other torque wrenches, its adjustment barrel features a knurled handle for a non-slip ergonomic grip, and its numbers are clearly marked a high-contrast yellow over black. This is a pretty stylish click torque wrench. But looks are irrelevant, functionality is what counts, and this mechanical torque wrench unit offers plenty. This gives you a huge torque setting range to work with, making it great for heavy-duty applications from engine and front-end service to tightening the lug nuts on a commercial truck. Number 4. Gearwrench 1.2-inch drive electronic torque wrench. Quality costs money. If you want the best, be prepared to spend more. Case in point. The Gearwrench 1/2-inch drive digital torque wrench. Sure, it's expensive, but that's money well spent if your livelihood depends on a torque tool like this or if precision is paramount. Having personally used Gearwrench products myself, it makes great stuff, so you shouldn't be disappointed. This tool's operating torque range is between 20 to 250 pounds-foot, plus it should be accurate too, within about 3% for the jobs that require precise torque. They're easier to use and arguably more accurate, but tend to cost more. Setting this product apart from the other torque wrenches highlighted here, it is electronic. Rather than a clicking mechanism or a bar that bends as you apply force, it features circuits and sensors. Number 5. ACDelco 1.2-inch digital torque adapter. Finally, if you need a torque wrench but don't have a place to put one, consider a digital torque adapter, like this nifty ACDelco unit. This tool clips onto the end of a 1/2-inch drive socket wrench you already have, so you don't have to make room in your toolbox for another piece of hardware. Like the Gearwrench one listed above, this tool is digital. It can also be set between 25 and 250 pounds-foot of set torque. A precision piece of hardware, this tool is so accurate, the manufacturer says it can be used to calibrate other torque wrenches. For added peace of mind, this ACDelco tool comes with a 1-year warranty and is highly rated.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.